Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Happy to be coming back out to Abilene. And what we're going to be doing on October 23rd is going to be a day-long training session of AI techniques, easy to use lead generation tools. It's going to be a day that is going to change your business for the better overnight. We're going to start with video marketing for real estate. And I'm going to show you some tools and techniques that you guys can easily implement with video. Then we're going to do ChatGPT for your business. And it's going to be more than just ChatGPT. It's going to be a ton of AI tools and techniques that are going to help to build and grow your business. We're going to focus in the afternoon session on riches in the niches, which is going to give you the ability to thrive in real estate no matter what the overall market conditions are doing. If you focus on the rich and the niche, you're going to thrive. And then we're going to wrap the day with blueprint for business building. This is going to be annual business planning, and we're going to use AI to help create the best plan possible for the year 2026 for your business. So I look forward to seeing all of you in Abilene on October 23rd. Thanks.